Yo, welcome to the video. As usual, my name is Adriel Cash, and in this video I'm gonna literally go into the live markets. I'm gonna take a trade in front of you. You're gonna see everything step by step, and this is essentially my trading morning routine, what I do as a trader. And I'm gonna be completely honest and transparent with you. I'm not gonna take a cold plunge. I took a shower, and after this I'm gonna hit the gym. Okay, that's my morning routine. I'm not gonna freaking do no journaling or no freaking affirmations like I'm a profitable day trader, I'm a good guy, I'm gonna make money today. No, what matters is your actions. You don't have to do all that BS freaking stuff that doesn't have any effect on you. I'm gonna be completely honest. Okay, I'm sorry, but that's why I'm here to guide you. You have to do the stuff that actually brings you results, which is doing all the good stuff. But regardless, enough talking, let's get into the video. I'm gonna take a trade in front of you because I'm a day trader, right? Okay, let's go to the markets. All right, I'm willing to buy the markets if we tap into this order block below, because this didn't entirely break structure, so I'm gonna buy it from the order block if we tap into that and get a respect from that. So I'm willing to buy if we get that. If we push up, I'm gonna buy. There we go. I bought on NAS 100, looking for the price to go up. We got this amazing uptrend, okay? Uptrend respect, that's the key. And I just bought on this order block. Let's go. Trust the bias, and 3, 2, 1, I'm out. That's what we do, boys. That's what we do. That's how we make money in these freaking markets. We trust the bias and we just chill. All right, no hesitation, no fear of missing out, nothing. Just chilling and watching the price to go to my TP. That's what we do. And now I'm gonna do a trade recap. So essentially, as you can see, amazing looking ass trade. 1.85 restore ratio, almost 1 to 2 restore ratio, correct? And pretty good money. All right, pretty good money. I de-risked heavily. As you can see, here's the PNL. I de-risked, meaning I risked less money, because as you can see, the time it is 11:18, which is very late in the session for me. I usually trade for like 30 to 60 minutes, but today I wanted to wait a bit because the price started to respect this uptrend. Okay, as you can see, it kind of started to chop a little bit. I was almost out from the markets. I was like, okay, I'm gonna go away from the markets, but then we start to get this consistency. That's the key. What do we traders need to see every single time? We need to see consistency in one direction and one movement direction. Okay, down or up, never sideways. This is sideways, but then we start to respect the trend again. How does the trend move? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs to the upside, and to the upside. Yeah, what is this? Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Now this is also, but I had some stuff going on, real life stuff, so I couldn't watch the markets at this point. I mean, I was kind of looking at it at the same time, but look at this. Then we continue up and we continue the same cycle, higher highs, higher lows. But because I was kind of late to the session, I wanted to de-risk. And look at this. If I show you the 5-minute time frame, which is continue to respect. Now, the reason why I was waiting a little bit, because we tapped into this fair value gap. That's why I was like waiting a little bit. And what does that cause? Because this is a bearish fair value gap, it pushes the price down, right? So I wanted to wait a little bit. And the price also hesitated a little bit after tapping into the fair value gap, because there's equal amount of buyers and sellers, causes the price to move sideways. But then the buyers have the power, it pushes the price up. And then I was okay, if the buyers are entering, I'm also gonna enter to the upside and target this 5-minute bearish order block that has orders that these big banks want to take, and then maybe continue down. But that's what I target. I target areas that has the chance to flip the direction. And as you can see, it's kind of slowing down a little bit, but also I was satisfied with the take profit, with the retro ratio. So good money, you know what I'm saying? So that's how you follow the trend, okay? And my entry was essentially this 1 minute. Hold on, let me remove this. As you can see, we broke structure to the upside right here, and then we tapped into this order block, and we got the mini reaction from that. So I got filled around here. As you saw in the clip, when I entered, I was like, I'm gonna wait for a little bit push up, and I entered on a push up. We tapped into this order block, broke structure right here, tapped the order block, push up. And is it a coincidence that as soon as I enter, this shit starts to go up? No, because what I like to enter when the pressure is at the highest. So when the pressure is at the highest to go up, I'm gonna enter to the upside. right? It's that simple. It may feel like rocket science right now, but don't worry, it will be a lot easier when you start to practice in the strategy that I teach, that I practice and preach. I actually use this shit, okay? I'm not a guru who just teach you strategy. I actually use it in the markets. That's why I record these kind of videos as well, to show you that I use this market. And as you can see, almost 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Yo, $846. It's like nothing crazy. Let's be honest, to my normal profit, it's like normal profit is like $1,000 or $2,000, sometimes $3,000. But am I flexing? Fuck no. But I'm here to show you that you should risk properly. Why? Because like I told you, late in the recession, I'm gonna risk less on those kind of scenarios because there could be consolidation attacks caused from less volume in the markets. Today we had an amazing price movement consistency, meaning that we continue to go up in higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. That is exactly what we want to see if we're looking for buys. And that's an amazing way to start the day as a trader. But essentially now my job is finished. I'm gonna hit the gym after this. So this is why I want you to start trading, because it's the freedom, bro. I want you to achieve the freedom of trading. I'm not here to flex on you. I'm here to always motivate, educate, and innovate. And if you want to achieve the trading freedom and you want to actually learn my strategy, everything, then I have a gift for you. First link in the description, it will take you to my free trading course, and below the link there's my free Telegram. Okay, join that and watch the free course, 1 hour long, for free. And thank you for watching. Comment down below if you like this video, if you want to see more of these videos. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.